I like this one, the dark blue. Oh, wow.
This looks
Wow.
good too. How do you feel about this?
17 Pro. Diba mas maganda yun?
Pero di ko paano kasi gusto ko itong kulay. Maganda naman.
Maganda, promise, malinis. Hindi dumi. Abby, I'm so in love with this color.
Yeah, it's you.
Like, it's super nice.
Yeah, it's you.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy.
Parang ayoko ng orange. Do you guys like the orange?
No.
Do you guys like the orange?
Yung white sir, mas maganda.
Yeah, I think that one, the blue. The blue.
I like the
Which one do you like?
I like the
purple.
The lighter one.
yeah, the pastel color.
I like this one, the dark blue. Oh, wow.
This looks
Wow.
good too. There's no iPhone
Yeah.
15. Why? Is it gone? This is 15. It's 15. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, it's your phone. Yeah. How much is it? You can buy it. The case. Buy the big storage. How do you feel about this?
17 Pro. Diba mas maganda yun?
Pero di ko paano kasi gusto ko itong kulay. Maganda naman.
Maganda, promise, malinis. Hindi dumi.
Pro yan, pro.
Oo, bro.
You can just put a case. Purple case.
Weird naman ako, ba't sila naglabas nito? Para sa akin. Pero maganda, manipis nga na. Kasi parang wow.
That one is the Cheso. It's
Sirang ko na lang ko na yung price. Abby, I'm so in love with this color.
Yeah, it's you.
Like, it's super nice.
Yeah, it's you. You should
Like,
sell
this
all your
color is
iPhones
something.
and then buy this.
Like, it's something else. Like, the blue.
Exactly the point.
It looks like dark black, but
You should buy that.
oh my gosh. So pretty too.
Like trade
I
it.
think I have to kidnap the president to get this. I like this. I don't like the orange for some reason.
I don't like it.
It looks
It's like
eerie.
Mom Lou.
Exactly my point. Yeah. Pastor, did you hear Ma'am Shine? The color orange of 17 Pro Max looks very mamluraw.
Paslam, you want to buy iPhone?
I
Why?
deserve it.
You deserve it too. You've been working so hard in your life. Oh really?
What's that? What's that phone?
When did you buy that? Ah, really?
Oh, you should.
You should.
Remote to the air cons.
Ah, that's the reason why. You can install naman apps. Yes.
7 pa rin.
Oh. But you can like sell and then buy iPhone.
Turn on and off the air.
So that you have pang content kay Shine.
terabyte.
Oh, it's the power of the air.
Ah, okay.
Okay, I have a 17 Pro,
Galing ka rin.
Pro Max.